Does your RF solution look like this? A large collection of discrete components that are difficult to use and prototype with? Or are you struggling getting adequate RF performance from a more integrated solution? Analog Devices is introducing the 9361, a flexible radio on a chip which can provide a complete solution for your wideband, cognitive radio, or MIMO radio solution. Analog Devices provides an easy-to-use prototyping environment based on the FPGA Mezzanine Card, or FMC, VITA 57.1 standard, which can connect to many of the FPGA development systems. Here we can see it connected to the low-cost ZC706 from Xilinx, which includes a Zinc 7045 on it. You can see how it connects to the FMC carrier platform, the USB keyboard mouse, and the HDMI monitor that is attached. Analog Devices provides a reference design for the Xilinx Zinc, which includes the HDL and the Linux device drivers for the 9361, plus a Linux user space application which runs on the dual ARM Cortex A9s inside the Xilinx Zinc. Our reference design includes a few DDSs to create some continuous tones as test outputs, has the ability to stream patterns from files, and capture data from the receive side. What we are looking at is the output of ADI's HDMI transmitter, the ADV7511 found on the ZC706. Here the system is booting and we can see the Linux Industrial Input-Output, or IIO, oscilloscope application being shown. This is the data on the receive side of the selected channels. To look at something more interesting, we switch over to the 9361 tab on the scope and load up some QAM data and start playing that out. When we flip back to the time domain plots, we see the data in the time domain, and with a few clicks we can look at the constellation data, or the received spectrum. As in all things Linux, the device driver is managing attributes of the hardware to keep the complexity of the actual device management away from user space. Everything is just a file in sysfs, and just by doing open, read, write, close, things can be changed on the fly. For those who want to poke into the low-level details of the 9361, the IIO scope does have a debug option which allows you to have low-level register access and see what each bit is doing in the part. Thank you for watching.
For more information, visit analog.com/AD9361, RF transceiver.